Akin na nga yaw. Aside from the West Valley fault news, Metro Manila faces another threat. But not all dangers come from nature. Some are man-made. As the world pushes for greener technology, nickel mining in the Philippines is expanding rapidly, displacing indigenous communities and harming the environment. Ate.
Ako?
Ikaw. Anong masasabi mo sa impact ng nickel mining sa mga indigenous communities?
Kailangan na siguro tigilan ng ibang company na puro profit lang ang iniisip nila. Kailangan nila i-consider ang priority nila, ang safety at kapakanan ng isang mamamayan.
Salamat po. Once again, this is Kian for Tectonic News. As the demand for electric vehicles soars, so does the need for nickel, a crucial material for lithium-ion batteries. In the Philippines, rapid nickel mining expansion is fueling this global shift, but at a serious cost. According to Amnesty International, indigenous peoples and rural communities are facing land displacement, environmental destruction, and human rights abuses as mining operations intensify. While nickel is essential for greener technology, the impact on those living near the mines raises urgent questions about the true cost of sustainability. This is Kian Lino reporting from Tectonic News. Grabe, ang daming gusto matuto ngayon ah. Sige, una na lang.
SK Kian, bakit mo napili yung issue ng West Valley Fault at nickel mining?
Good question. Pinili namin tong issues kasi yung isa, West Valley Fault, natural disaster na pwedeng tumama anytime. Habang yung nickel mining gawa ng tao. Isang naghihintay, isang ongoing. Pero parehong malaki ang epekto sa tao at kalikasan. Kaya dapat handa tayo at responsable.
Tama. SK Kian, as STEM students, paano tayo makatulong sa mga issue na yan?
Maraming paraan, Andreana. Una, sa sustainable mining, pwede tayong mag-research ng eco-friendly tech tulad ng bio-leaching para bawas polusyon sa pagmimina. Pangalawa, gamit ang data technology, pwede tayong gumawa ng hazard maps para malaman kung saan delikado ang lindol. Pwede rin tayong mag-develop ng monitoring systems para masubaybayan ang epekto ng pagmimina sa komunidad. So have you learned something mga katangkay? If you're interested with STEM Talk videos, just subscribe to be notified for our next videos. Once again, we are Group 2 reminding you na iba ang may alam dahil bida ang handa. Bye-bye!